Microsoft Outlook 2010 is the Office application that you can use primarily to communicate with friends, colleagues and clients via email. But it's more than this. It's also a personal information manager that you can use to manage your business and personal contacts, to make notes and to keep a journal. You can also use Outlook to schedule meetings and appointments. In addition, you can list tasks and their start and due dates and then track their status. Outlook can also be synchronized with a personal digital assistant, giving you easy access to your contacts, appointments and messages, regardless of where you are. Outlook can also be used with Microsoft SharePoint services and Microsoft Exchange Server to enhance collaboration between members of teams located anywhere in the world by means of shared mailboxes and calendars. Using Outlook, you can stay informed of any developments in your projects and make sure you never lose touch with your team. You can launch Outlook from the desktop shortcut, or you can launch it from the Start menu by accessing the Microsoft Office Programs folder. By default, Outlook opens in the Mail view. This is the view you would use to send and receive messages. It shows the navigation pane, your folders and inbox, the content of the selected message, and information about the sender. The ribbon is a new feature in Outlook. It replaces the menus and toolbars that were used in previous versions of Outlook. It contains all the commands you require to perform various tasks in Outlook, such as sending email or managing folders. The ribbon is also contextual and changes according to the Outlook view being displayed. You can also choose to hide the ribbon if you want more space on screen. In Mail view, the ribbon consists of 5 tabs. Select each tab to find out more about it. The File tab allows you to access Backstage View, where you can save or print Outlook items, configure your email account settings, configure Outlook options, and access help while using Outlook. The Home tab contains commands for creating and responding to email. Its commands are arranged into groups according to their common functions. You can use the Home tab to create new messages, delete existing ones, send replies, and use various tools to organize your messages. In other views, the commands on this tab change according to the tasks that you're performing. This tab is the default tab and is most frequently used. The Send Receive tab contains various sending and receiving commands. You can use this tab to check downloading progress, change your downloading preferences, and change connection settings. You can use the Folder tab to create new folders, move or clean up your existing folders, and change folder permissions. Using the View tab, you can change the order in which messages are listed, open or close the various panes in the Outlook window, and change the current view. The Mail view window contains 5 areas you use regularly when sending and receiving email: Navigation pane, Message list, Reading pane, People pane, and To-do bar. Select each area of the Mail view for more information. The navigation pane includes the folder list, which gives you easy access to all of your Outlook folders, including your favorite folders. You can also switch between different Outlook views, such as Mail and Calendar, and access additional views from the button bar at the bottom of the navigation pane. The message list displays the messages in the folder selected in the navigation pane, which is the inbox by default. The messages are arranged by the date they were received, with the most recent messages at the top. But you can choose to arrange them by subject, sender, or conversation instead. Unread messages are marked in bold, and read messages in normal font type. The Reading pane shows the content of your email messages, including the date and time that the message was sent, and the name of the person who sent it, as well as the names of any other recipients. To view a message in the Reading pane, you need to select it in the message list. The To-do bar displays your current scheduled appointments and tasks. The To-do bar view pane includes the calendar for the current month, with a view of any appointments for the current week, as well as a task list showing your current tasks. If you click a particular day on the calendar view opens in the main window, providing you with quick access to create and view appointments for the selected day. A new feature introduced in Outlook 2010 is the People pane, which is also referred to as the Microsoft Outlook Social Connector. This new feature allows you to view contact details and status updates from your contacts, as well as see related information regarding emails and appointments. In addition to this, you can access information about contacts from other sources, such as SharePoint and popular social network providers, such as LinkedIn and Facebook. Besides the Mail view, Outlook features 5 other views: Contacts, Calendar, Tasks and Notes. The Journal view is another view available in Outlook, but it isn't included on the navigation pane. It shows a timeline for the current month, week or day and shows entries for phone calls, meetings and other activities. If you need help at any time while using Outlook, you can click the Outlook Help icon. Alternatively, you can also access help in Backstage view under the File tab of the ribbon. You can use the Outlook Help dialog box to get information about the aspects and functions of Outlook, whether you are online or offline. If you know exactly which function you need help with, you can type a word or phrase into the search field to do a search of Outlook's help and how-to files. If you aren't looking for a specific help topic, you can simply browse the help and how-to files by clicking the different categories. Each category contains several articles. Match the elements of the Mail view. Microsoft Outlook 2010 provides many functions beyond sending and receiving email. In the default Mail view, you can use commands on the ribbon, access your mail folders, read and create email messages, view information about your contacts and manage your schedule and tasks. You can also get assistance using the Outlook Help feature.